She always wakes up early. She always wakes up early.
Si sveglia sempre presto.
I usually go for a walk after dinner. I usually go for a walk after dinner.
Di solito faccio una passeggiata dopo cena.
He often visits his grandparents on weekends. He often visits his grandparents on weekends.
Va spesso a trovare i suoi nonni nei fine settimana.
They rarely eat fast food. They rarely eat fast food.
Mangiano raramente cibo da fast food.
I never drink coffee at night. I never drink coffee at night.
Non bevo mai caffè di sera.
The train is almost here. The train is almost here.
Il treno è quasi arrivato.
We arrived late to the meeting. We arrived late to the meeting.
Siamo arrivati tardi alla riunione.
He drives carefully on icy roads. He drives carefully on icy roads.
Guida con prudenza sulle strade ghiacciate.
I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you.
Sono completamente d'accordo con te.
The shop is closed now. The shop is closed now.
Il negozio è chiuso ora.
She quickly finished her homework. She quickly finished her homework.
Ha finito velocemente i compiti.
We are currently working on a new project. We are currently working on a new project.
Stiamo attualmente lavorando a un nuovo progetto.
He almost forgot his passport. He almost forgot his passport.
Ha quasi dimenticato il passaporto.
I hardly ever watch TV. I hardly ever watch TV.
Guardo la TV molto raramente.
They are already waiting for us. They are already waiting for us.
Ci stanno già aspettando.
Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly.
Per favore, parla più lentamente.
He answered the question correctly. He answered the question correctly.
Ha risposto correttamente alla domanda.
We often meet at this cafe. We often meet at this cafe.
Ci incontriamo spesso in questo bar.
I almost missed the bus this morning. I almost missed the bus this morning.
Ho quasi perso l'autobus stamattina.
She runs very fast. She runs very fast.
Corre molto velocemente.
He was extremely tired after work. He was extremely tired after work.
Era estremamente stanco dopo il lavoro.
They sometimes go hiking on Sundays. They sometimes go hiking on Sundays.
A volte vanno a fare escursioni la domenica.
The exam was surprisingly easy. The exam was surprisingly easy.
L'esame è stato sorprendentemente facile.
He speaks too loudly. He speaks too loudly.
Parla troppo forte.
I nearly fell off the chair. I nearly fell off the chair.
Sono quasi caduto dalla sedia.
She patiently waited for her turn. She patiently waited for her turn.
Ha aspettato pazientemente il suo turno.
He works hard every day. He works hard every day.
Lavora sodo ogni giorno.
We completely understand your situation. We completely understand your situation.
Comprendiamo completamente la tua situazione.
She almost cried when she heard the news. She almost cried when she heard the news.
Ha quasi pianto quando ha sentito la notizia.
I will definitely call you tomorrow. I will definitely call you tomorrow.
Ti chiamerò sicuramente domani.
He easily solved the problem. He easily solved the problem.
Ha risolto facilmente il problema.
They just left a few minutes ago. They just left a few minutes ago.
Sono appena andati via pochi minuti fa.
She drives quite well. She drives quite well.
Guida piuttosto bene.
I completely forgot about the meeting. I completely forgot about the meeting.
Ho completamente dimenticato la riunione.
He rarely gets angry. He rarely gets angry.
Si arrabbia raramente.
She almost finished her project. She almost finished her project.
Ha quasi finito il suo progetto.
We carefully packed the fragile items. We carefully packed the fragile items.
Abbiamo impacchettato con cura gli oggetti fragili.
They happily accepted the invitation. They happily accepted the invitation.
Hanno accettato felicemente l'invito.
He often helps his classmates. He often helps his classmates.
Aiuta spesso i suoi compagni di classe.
I simply don't understand what you mean. I simply don't understand what you mean.
Semplicemente non capisco cosa intendi.
She nearly missed the flight. She nearly missed the flight.
Ha quasi perso il volo.
He always tells the truth. He always tells the truth.
Dice sempre la verità.
We usually eat dinner at 7 o'clock. We usually eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
Di solito ceniamo alle 7.
They completely changed their plans. They completely changed their plans.
Hanno completamente cambiato i loro piani.
She occasionally goes out with friends. She occasionally goes out with friends.
Ogni tanto esce con gli amici.
He quickly grabbed his coat and left. He quickly grabbed his coat and left.
Ha preso rapidamente il cappotto ed è uscito.
I truly appreciate your help. I truly appreciate your help.
Apprezzo davvero il tuo aiuto.
She gently closed the door. She gently closed the door.
Ha chiuso delicatamente la porta.
They recently moved to a new city. They recently moved to a new city.
Si sono trasferiti di recente in una nuova città.
She quickly adapted to the new environment. She quickly adapted to the new environment.
Si è adattata rapidamente al nuovo ambiente.
He often works late to meet deadlines. He often works late to meet deadlines.
Lavora spesso fino a tardi per rispettare le scadenze.
They always try to stay positive. They always try to stay positive.
Cercano sempre di restare positivi.
I rarely watch TV these days. I rarely watch TV these days.
Guardo raramente la TV di questi tempi.
She completely understands the problem. She completely understands the problem.
Capisce completamente il problema.
He usually walks to the office. He usually walks to the office.
Di solito va a piedi in ufficio.
They almost missed their flight. They almost missed their flight.
Hanno quasi perso il volo.
I truly believe in second chances. I truly believe in second chances.
Credo davvero nelle seconde possibilità.
She carefully packed her suitcase. She carefully packed her suitcase.
Ha preparato accuratamente la sua valigia.
He regularly visits his grandparents. He regularly visits his grandparents.
Va regolarmente a trovare i suoi nonni.
They completely renovated their kitchen. They completely renovated their kitchen.
Hanno completamente ristrutturato la loro cucina.
I hardly ever eat out during the week. I hardly ever eat out during the week.
Ceno fuori molto raramente durante la settimana.
She clearly explained the situation. She clearly explained the situation.
Ha spiegato chiaramente la situazione.
He recently started a new hobby. He recently started a new hobby.
Ha iniziato di recente un nuovo hobby.
They truly enjoyed their vacation. They truly enjoyed their vacation.
Hanno davvero apprezzato la loro vacanza.
I quickly realized my mistake. I quickly realized my mistake.
Mi sono reso conto rapidamente del mio errore.
She completely agrees with your opinion. She completely agrees with your opinion.
È completamente d'accordo con la tua opinione.
He politely declined the offer. He politely declined the offer.
Ha rifiutato gentilmente l'offerta.
They often go hiking on weekends. They often go hiking on weekends.
Vanno spesso a fare escursioni nei fine settimana.
I absolutely love spending time outdoors. I absolutely love spending time outdoors.
Amo assolutamente trascorrere del tempo all'aperto.
She almost cried when she heard the news. She almost cried when she heard the news.
Ha quasi pianto quando ha sentito la notizia.
He completely forgot to send the email. He completely forgot to send the email.
Ha completamente dimenticato di inviare l'email.
They usually eat dinner together as a family. They usually eat dinner together as a family.
Di solito cenano insieme in famiglia.
I regularly exercise to stay healthy. I regularly exercise to stay healthy.
Faccio esercizio regolarmente per restare in salute.
She suddenly realized she was lost. She suddenly realized she was lost.
Ha improvvisamente capito di essersi persa.
He generally takes things calmly. He generally takes things calmly.
In generale affronta le cose con calma.
They completely support your decision. They completely support your decision.
Sostengono completamente la tua decisione.
I almost forgot about the meeting. I almost forgot about the meeting.
Ho quasi dimenticato la riunione.
She often visits the local market. She often visits the local market.
Va spesso al mercato locale.
He rarely drinks coffee in the evening. He rarely drinks coffee in the evening.
Beve raramente caffè la sera.
They quickly found a solution to the issue. They quickly found a solution to the issue.
Hanno trovato rapidamente una soluzione al problema.
I truly admire people who never give up. I truly admire people who never give up.
Ammiro davvero le persone che non si arrendono mai.
She easily completed the assignment. She easily completed the assignment.
Ha completato facilmente il compito.
He completely trusted his best friend. He completely trusted his best friend.
Si fidava completamente del suo migliore amico.
They rarely take vacations together. They rarely take vacations together.
Fanno raramente vacanze insieme.
I clearly remember what you said. I clearly remember what you said.
Ricordo chiaramente quello che hai detto.
She frequently travels abroad for work. She frequently travels abroad for work.
Viaggia spesso all'estero per lavoro.
He always keeps his promises. He always keeps his promises.
Mantiene sempre le sue promesse.
They suddenly started laughing. They suddenly started laughing.
Hanno improvvisamente iniziato a ridere.
I completely agree with your point. I completely agree with your point.
Sono completamente d'accordo con il tuo punto di vista.
She nearly dropped her laptop. She nearly dropped her laptop.
Ha quasi fatto cadere il portatile.
He regularly checks his emails. He regularly checks his emails.
Controlla regolarmente le sue email.
They completely understood the lesson. They completely understood the lesson.
Hanno completamente capito la lezione.
I quickly finished my homework before dinner. I quickly finished my homework before dinner.
Ho finito rapidamente i compiti prima di cena.
She truly enjoys helping others. She truly enjoys helping others.
Le piace davvero aiutare gli altri.
He often listens to podcasts while driving. He often listens to podcasts while driving.
Ascolta spesso podcast mentre guida.
They usually start work at 9 o'clock. They usually start work at 9 o'clock.
Di solito iniziano a lavorare alle 9.
I completely understand your feelings. I completely understand your feelings.
Capisco completamente i tuoi sentimenti.
She absolutely loves spending time with her family. She absolutely loves spending time with her family.
Ama assolutamente trascorrere del tempo con la sua famiglia.
He rarely forgets important dates. He rarely forgets important dates.
Dimentica raramente le date importanti.
They always speak kindly to others. They always speak kindly to others.
Parlano sempre gentilmente con gli altri.